Students, welcome to the chemistry session. Very good evening to everybody. In continuation of our parts, that is polymer chemistry, here what we are going toward the parts is LDPE and HDPE. The LDPE, HDPE, this is nothing but low density polymer and high density polymer. We are having this water CH2 double bond CH2, which is treated with what? This is the 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure. This is the requirement of the pressure and trace of, as we can say, trace of oxygen. So the trace of O2, that is oxygen, so that is the temperature requirement is nothing but 350. We can say this is the temperature is what? 350 to 370, 350 to what? 370. So this is the high pressure. We are currently seeing nothing but high pressure and low temperature. So that is what low temperature we can requirement, low temperature here, low temperature. So the low density polymer, as you can say, this is what low density polymer, and this is what high density polymer. So what happened in the low density polymer? First of all, this is the ethene molecule undergoes the oxygen trace at pressure 1000 to 2000 atmospheric. So what happened? There is formation of what? CH2, that is formation of the polythene. Here the types of the product is formation of the polythene. This is nothing but low density polymer. Types of the product is obtained by polymerization of such types of the compound is here. So the reaction is takes place free radical part of the mechanism. So the part of the mechanism is takes place, that is CH2. The free radical mechanism is takes place CH2 double bond CH2. That is formation of CH2 radicals. If we are having these types of the one radical species and this one hydrogen atom is, so this is nothing but intramolecular hydrogen abstraction. As you can say, intramolecular hydrogen abstraction. Here intramolecular hydrogen abstraction is takes place, and this formation of this primary radical is converted into the secondary radicals because the stability concept. We know that this tertiary free radical is more stable than secondary and primary. So here formation of, you can take this R radical and this generation of this R radical, these types of the product is here. So this is nothing but what? Low density polythenes which are takes place at high pressure and low temperature. Formation of the product, this is the polythene, it is nothing but low density polythene. So what is the uses of such types of the polythene is here? So first of all, what is the properties? As we can say, properties के बारे में हम देखेंगे. So what is the properties of this is the low density polymer? It is what? It is extremely, as you can say, this is the extremely flexible. तो ये extremely क्या होते हैं? Flexible होता है. So but it is nothing but tough nature, TOUG, tough nature, and it is a chemically inert. It is what? Chemically inert. ये chemically inert होता है, and this is nothing but poor conductor for, this is the properties of. So what is the uses? What is the use of this low density polymer? So it is used to manufacture of the agriculture pipe, to manufacture of the agriculture pipe. So you can say this is the PVC pipe. So in agriculture pipe irrigations, it is used as this is the irrigations, and this is nothing but also used as electrical, to use at electrical bulbs. So that is what, electrical cables. So to making the electrical cable, so it is used to the filament film as filament sheets, and what, which is a household household, this is the materials. So this is the uses of this is what a LDPE, as you can say low density polythene. So this is use of this is the low density polythene. So the low density polythene, it is obtained at high pressure and low temperature. It is obtained high pressure and low temperature. So there is nothing but ethene to polythene. So next next this is the HDP, high density polythene. As you can say HDP, it is also known as HDPE. HDP को हम HDPE कह सकते हैं. So that is how we are having the starting reactant molecule is the same, that is nothing but what CH2 double bond CH2. So this is the starting reactant molecule, what are ethene molecules. So this ethene molecule CH2 double bond CH2, which is treated with what atmospheric 6 to 7 atmosphere. So this pressure is requirement 6 to 7 atmospheric pressure, and the temperature is required is 333 to 343. This is the 343, as we can say at. Here the most important the catalyst is used, that is what TiCl4 AlEt thrice. So this one of the catalyst, this is what TiCl4 AlEt thrice. The name of the catalyst is nothing but what Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Name of this catalyst Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So these types of the catalyst used for the preparation of, so that is the types of the product is obtained CH2 and times it is nothing but HDP, high density polythene. As you can say this high density polythene is obtained starting from ethene molecule. So this n number of ethene which is under the high pressure, sorry low pressure, यहाँ पे low pressure है high temperature है, low pressure high temperature. So that is the formation of this is the high density polythene. So here what is the uses of the high density, those what is the range of melting points. The melting point range is near about this is what 145 to 150, as you can say 155 degrees Celsius. LDPE का देखेंगे 110 degree Celsius. This is nothing but what melting point range. So this melting point range of this high density polythene 140 to 150 is also this is the range of this nothing but high density polythene. So what is the uses of high density polythene? This is nothing but HDPE to manufacture of the toys, to manufacture of the toys, as you can say children toys, manufacture of the toys, household, as you can say this is the household materials. It is also used to bucket, to prepare the buckets, dustbin. So this is not toughness one as compared to the LDP. So this is a low toughness as compared to the LDP bucket, dustbin bucket, as it is also used to prepare the pipes. So this is the uses of the high density polythene. So we have been here, we are having completed here this one of the low density polythene and high density polythene. So it is also known as LDP or LDPE, also HDP or HDPE.